Okay, if my videos are put up in order, y'all, the last few recipes I've done are super, super simple and quick. And sometimes we just need things like that. And this one, the children can do. And they would be so proud. I'm going to share this recipe with you for pineapple upside-down biscuits. It's been years since I've made these, but they're really good. And you just use a frozen biscuit. But if you want to make them real good, you could make your biscuits. But I would probably prefer buying a good quality of frozen biscuits. And they make Miss Hill, I think it is. Doesn't she make a real thinner biscuit? Yes. I know she does because I buy them once in a while and when I get in a tight. Yeah. But to me, that would make a much, much better where it wasn't so much biscuit, like half the amount of biscuit. And they're so thin, it's actually hard to cut them open, because they're so thin. Okay. So I got my butter at room temperature. I'm probably going to have to get in here with my hands on that. I'm mixing my brown sugar, my room temperature butter, and they don't make a 10-ounce can of pineapple anymore, just an 8-ounce. And look after it's drained, look how much you get. How about that? More money and less food. Like we don't get it, like we stupid. Teresa, we're going to have to see if I got another can of. So I would recommend getting a 10-ounce can of pineapple, and then maybe if it's got a smaller one, and I'm just cutting in two. But if it's going to be a pineapple upside down shortcake, it's got to have some pineapple in it, right? That's what I thought. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. That looks a little better. All right, I got my cherries. And I want to make sure that my cherry is in the center. Of our stuff.
And I know the reason why they say push down is so that it really goes all the way to the bottom of the stuff. So you still see it.
Yeah, you want to put your cherry first. We are ready now to get out our 10 biscuits and press them into our muffin tins. And I just told Teresa, since you're shorted 2 ounces of crushed pineapple in the cans now, you're going to need to increase that, maybe increase the brown sugar, just a little bit. Seems like everybody really liked these. Just been a long time since I've made them. So it's hard for me to remember. Really is quick and easy. All right, now we're gonna pour a teaspoon of juice on top of each biscuit. Okay, we're gonna put them in the oven and cook them for 12 to 15 minutes. Then we'll be having a pineapple upside down biscuit. Yum. I'm gonna taste one. I'm gonna taste one of these that I got out first. It's so good. They're so good warm, y'all. And they taste so buttery, y'all. I wish y'all were here. Please make these. Just make sure you drain your pineapple real good. And I would suggest maybe in the produce department getting fresh pineapple and then chopping it up, because you don't get much in those cans. So y'all do try it, and I'm sending you love and best dishes. Great time of day. Love y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.